Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba price prediction and Shiba news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. In this video, we will talk about the sharks of the market, the future of this cryptocurrency, and its prospects for the short and long term. Shiba Inu. A millionaire's bet against long-term uncertainty. The greatest war is the war of perception. And Shiba Inu seems to have won it, at least for the moment. Notably, SHIB has appreciated 1000x over the last year. However, the meme token hasn't seen a lot of smooth sailing, especially of late. After the Ukraine-Russia conflict broke out, SHIB tumbled down the charts. Even so, it's intriguing to note that SHIB's move south looked less affected when compared to the general market. Now, SHIBers could be one of the reasons. On 25 February, Shiba Inu announced the launch of 99,000 digital plots of land in its metaverse. This excited many in the Shiba Inu community, bringing a ray of hope amid the market downturn. What's in it for ambitious traders? For some traders, it's nothing less than a gamble to buy the dip. Alas, a huge chunk of retail traders has been sharing the same sentiment. Well, the near-term price trajectory of SHIB has to be the reason behind it. At the time of writing, the meme coin was changing hands at $0.00024005, down by 1.07% over the last day. Currently, traders who bought the dip in late January and decided to HODL might find themselves at war with their intuition. Bears seem to have taken command while the coin is putting up a brave fight to break through its 7-day-long resistance at $0.00002713. If demand kicks in, the bulls may push up high to test $0.00003554 in the days to come. The probability of which can't be relied on since RSI looks saturated on the 47 mark at the time of this analysis. And MACD seemed up for a bearish divergence. However, amidst this bearish chaos, it's important to note that SHIB's long-term future prospects have profit-seeking opportunities. Something that traders and investors have been looking out for. Well, while price charts are yet to reveal latent money-making opportunity, on-chain metrics can be of great help here. Well, what? Whales betting on SHIB. 2 major Ethereum whales have purchased 105.7 billion Shiba Inu tokens. According to whale stats, an Ethereum whale named Light made a big addition to his holdings. The wallet now holds SHIB worth $887,617,540, 12.6% of its crypto portfolio. However, the second investor has acquired even more SHIB than Light as per whale stats. Now, one might wonder, what's there for a trader in it? Well, profit-making opportunities. Whale's acquisition is usually a sign of a bullish trend that might follow in the long run. And, despite the near-term downtrend, whales have been putting in a lot of faith in SHIB. Interestingly, in the chart below, an uptick can be noted in the whale transaction count post-24 February. Definitely a decisive moment for people who are planning to enter the market. It is also important to note that on a macro scale, exchange inflows have been diminishing. Considering a closer time frame, exchange inflows for SHIB have not seen a major uptick, except for the short ones. Recently, on 25 February, it spiked only to go down again. This simply means that investors gave in to panic selling at the back Ukraine conflict. But a majority of investors want to HODL through the Ukraine conflict in order to capitalize on the opportunity that lies ahead. Before increasing the risk appetite, a look at active addresses is required too. Well, for SHIB, it has been an area of concern. The daily active addresses have been somewhat consolidating. A significant rise hasn't been noticed for over 3 months now. This doesn't really indicate a bearish move, but it does show the interest of investors. And, as of now, the interest seems to be waning a little. SHIB's uptick after 24 February does suggest that for investors with a higher tolerance of risk, or looking for a high risk-to-reward ratio, buying SHIB in a risk-off environment may be a good bet against uncertainty in the long term. And who knows, maybe SHIB can make you a millionaire one day. Probably not, but a lot of people do take hyperbole seriously. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023.